What's up guys, it's Mike Diamonds and welcome to the video how to lose belly fat in 1 week, day 1. As you guys know, I'm leaving to Cuba and I'm going to do the giveaway right now. So next video guys, all you have to do is subscribe to the channel, click the bell button which is right next to it so you guys get notifications for every single video that comes out, and leave the video a like, comment anything down below related to the video with your Instagram handle so I can DM you for your prize. So remember guys, I'm doing a giveaway as a way to say thank you to you guys who've been supporting me throughout the year. So I'm doing a giveaway every single video that I upload in the month of December of either Gymshark, my protein, or my transformation program. Today, your boy is giving out some Gymshark just to say thank you to you guys. So we are going to pick the person who is going to win. We have 244 comments. Guys, your chances are high to win. Let's see who wins the Gymshark. I will DM you personally so you can claim your prize. Darren Rogers, love your videos, Mike. Followed you for about 2 years now. Great vibes. Darren123, you have won the Gymshark. What's up guys, it's Mike Diamonds and welcome to the video. If you guys saw in the previous video, I booked a ticket to Havana, Cuba in exactly, date is December 21st, we leave in exactly 10 days to Havana, Cuba. So we're going to Havana in 10 days. I'm trying to go there in the best shape possible, and as you guys know, I'm in the testing phase of my transformation program for 2018 Project Diamonds V3.
Yeah, hey, I like lean, I like drugs, I like beams, I got plugs, what you...
This is the best time to complement both of them, and at the same time I'm going to vlog the next 10 days so I show you guys exactly what the program entails and you'll get a good idea of it. So I know there's a lot of you who are looking for 2018 as a year to transform your body to be in the best shape possible. So I'm going to do this transformation now for the holidays. But I promise you guys, I promise, when we get back from holiday, I am going in full bulk mode until I do my very first competition. Finally.
It's early in the morning.
This scale, my weight is 85.5 kilograms. So to start off with a 10-day transformation, my starting weight is 85.5 kilograms, which is 188 pounds. We're gonna see what we can do in the next 10 days, but for now, I'm expecting a package.
Так, сделай мне, пожалуйста, вот здесь подпись «Фамилия, время». Все.
Всего доброго. Счастливо.
So we have first of all 1 giant tub of the whey protein granola. I've got the new My Pre, which is their new pre-workout. I also decided to try out their fat burner, which is called My Thermo. You guys know if this does really work or not. You guys will know because I'm pretty honest about my reviews with stuff, so I'll give that a go. Zero. This is almost 0 carb for a bar. 2 packets protein brownies. And you guys know I get my water game up. I have a water enhancer here and I have flavor drops on the other side. I've actually got quite a few of these. Quickly, let me explain to you why I got the particular supplements for fat loss. The protein granola is purely for my snack that I'm gonna mix with my oats along with the whey. The whey I'm going to use as a protein source to be able to hit my protein intake, and it's also very low in carbon, very low in fat, so this will actually help me out with my diet. My Pre, when I'm on pre-workout, I tend to burn a lot more calories because I have a lot more energy. So I'm able to push more weight, 1, and the intensity is far higher because of the amount of caffeine and beta-alanine in here. I've not tested it out, I'll let you know how strong it is. The protein, the flavor drops, and the water enhancer. As you guys have noticed, I don't drink Diet Coke anymore and I don't drink Diet Pepsi. Purely because of the caffeine. When I drink it at night, I can't sleep. So I rather put this flavor drops in like mineral water, and I put it in normal water, and that allows me to be able to drink my 3 liters of water a day, which is what I'm currently drinking. And the protein brownie, as you guys know, I love having Oreos and I love having a snack. I have a sweet tooth. I have the common problem a lot of people who have a hard time losing weight have. So a protein brownie is a better option. Guys, in all the videos from now on, all the little secrets that I'm going to be using, you guys are gonna see it all. Send me 2 outfits. Let's see how this actually looks. Oh man, I've been waiting for this for a while, guys. As you guys know, Russia is cold. Peep the fashion. Absolutely awesome. Franjo, what do you think? You like it? That's everything that I got from my protein. Link in the description. Team Diamonds for 20% off. Let's go train. Guys, this is the cheapest appetite suppressant you can get. Coffee. So what you guys saw me did, I make coffee as usual. I put some sweetener in there, 0 calories. I put some coffee in there, 0 calories. Then I put some ice and a little bit of milk, and then made a smoothie with it. Coffee is a natural appetite suppressant. So if you don't have the money to buy fat burners, their main ingredient is caffeine. So I drink this to be able to hold off in terms of me saving my calories for the day. So there's another gem for you. Bro, I have no idea who's here. Hey, King Black, gang gang.
I'm good, bro. What's up?
The hit Brainiac.
Hey, we're out the shower. Now I'm gonna take the chance to show you guys my physique on day 1. That is relaxed. That is my front relaxed. Alright. That is my side. I've rather kept it lean, this lean bulk, if you guys can see. Okay. From the side flexed.
Would you ever run away with me? Would you ever take a chance with me? Would you ever take the leap?
So you guys, this is how I'm drinking my water. I have a gallon in here, or half a gallon, and I put in the flavor drops, and that is my meal. I'm gonna end the video over there. I have work to do. As you guys can see, the date is already the 22nd. We still have all the books out, and we need to get back to work. But I'm gonna catch you guys tomorrow, and I'm gonna continue the 10-day, and let's see how we go tomorrow. But I'm already feeling like I'm in great shape. Don't forget to enter the giveaway. All you have to do is subscribe, click the notification bell, leave the video a big thumbs up even if you just enjoyed it, and comment anything down below related to the video. Leave your Instagram handle so you guys, I can DM you if you have won. But that's the end of the video. I'll catch you guys tomorrow.